Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little Animal Kingdom little vlog. I love doing those little vlogs because it's just like 3 to 4 minutes of just like clips that I've taken at like an amusement park. And I get like free amusement park tickets. A piece of hair. I get free amusement park tickets from my work because I work in hospitality, so that's why I've been going to so many amusement parks. But I hope you guys enjoy the little vlogs because I have like a couple more that I want to post. So anyways, so I'm going to follow up with a journal flip through, or a completed journal flip through of this one. So this is just the large moleskin hardcover. I don't know what journal this is, or like completed one this is, like I don't know what number, but I finished it September 16th, so I'm just a little behind on doing this flip through, but I am getting it up. But before I do that, I'm just going to do a little stationery haul for you guys because I found some goodies at Dollar General. So I'm gonna just dump it out here. So they had some really cute stuff at Dollar General, and I was so surprised that I found it. So first things first, I got this little paper pad, everyday paper, and it's 6 by 6, and it's by American Crafts, and it's just got the prettiest floral patterns. I love it. I love all of these patterns, and I will definitely use these somehow, but I love it. So $1 for that. And then all these sticker sheets were also $1, but these are American Craft stickers, which I just cannot believe they had American Craft stickers at Dollar General. Like, are you kidding me? So this one is silver foil. I'm trying to see if there's like a theme. I guess it's just home stuff. But we got all kinds of random, very random stickers, but it's just so cute. I love it. And then this one's like summery. A lot of more like labels on this one, but I just think that they're so cute. And then I got a happy birthday one. I couldn't say no to the dachshund. I just couldn't say no. But I love all of those stickers. And then I got these dog paper clips. I have the heart-shaped ones. I did not see these ones last time, so I grabbed those ones as well. And then this little stationery list pad. Today's top 3. I loved these, mostly because of the polka dot like background. I love that pattern, but I loved the today's top 3, so I got that, and it comes with a lot. And then I also got these Big Intensity permanent marker. They're the ultra fine, and I mostly just got it because of the colors. Like, I love fine tip markers, but I loved the colors in this one. So yeah, I got those to try as well. So very good finds at Dollar General's. Super happy. And yeah, so that is all of that. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the flip through now. So as you can see, she's very chunky. I love filling up moleskin books. Like, they're my favorite to fill up just because moleskin paper is my favorite. Well, okay, I love filling up any journal. That's just a great feeling, but moleskin journals are definitely my favorite. So on the cover here, we just have, I have this butterfly sticker that I got from Walmart. This little mushroom sticker was from a sticker sheet from Target. This little Oh Hey Sun sticker I got like off of a big sticker bundle from Mercari. And then this hot dog sticker is also from Walmart. And then this one is from Pipsticks. So yeah, so we jump on in. So a little girl made me that at my work, and it's a sloth, and I love sloths, so I had to put that in. So there's that. And then this Dutch Bros coffee, we don't have those in Florida, but my friend Gabby sent me this, and so I put it in here, as well as just some other random stickers of Walt Disney World, and then a little teddy bear. So there's my start and end dates, and then I got the little sticker book from Pipsticks from Five Below where you like color your own. So I did this little fish. and then I just covered everything in stickers, and then I just put this little Snoopy thing as like a July cover page. And we've got this little magazine page, and then I made this sticker. This is not my image, I like copied it from Pinterest, but it's cute. And then this little random collage of like flowers and stuff. And then some receipts. I love putting receipts in here. And then some sticker packaging. And then we start on with the first journal entry, which I did on one page, but the rest of them I do on two. All right, so that one's personal writing, so I'm just going to skip. And then here we go. So as you can see, this is how my journaling started in this book, and then it ends with like loaded up with stickers and stuff. So that was like very interesting to see. I'm sitting in my bed, by the way, but anyways, so here we go. If you guys see anything that you want to know where it came from, just comment down below and I will get back to you. I just can't be doing that through the whole video, or this video will be so long. This was a brainstorming thing for my for one of my school assignments. I just had to like reflect on like a kids or like cartoon movie or show. I ended up doing on Bluey. I did the Remini like kids AI kids thing, so I saw like what like me and Sebastian's kids would look like, just because, you know. But they're so cute. Well, obviously not a kid, but yeah. Obviously it is a little funky because like she's got like 3 arms, but they're pretty cute for the most part. And then some song lyrics. So I have these like numbers up at the top, like these circled numbers, and if you guys are wondering what that means, I have them like on every page. So at my work, that's how I count how many like families I have for the day, because it's always a different number every day. So that's how I count every all the families that I have in a day, just to see like what days are super busy and what are super slow. But in case you guys were wondering about that. Alrighty, and that's it. So that is my completed journal flip through. If there's any weird cuts in this video, it's because I was doing a flip through and then something personal came up that I forgot to mark or something, so I apologize if that kind of messed the video up a little bit. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I've been so busy, and I apologize, I haven't really been able to like get videos up lately, but I'm really trying my best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In my next video, I'll have another little vlog and then a sort of flip through of my 2024 Hobonichi weeks. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.